Imagine a surveillance camera that spies on your wallet, randomly snooping into your personal financial transactions with others, whether you like it or not. We're learning new details today about a program that originates out of Arizona and has civil rights experts sounding the alarm.
The sweeping surveillance program is the subject of intense debate after the Arizona Attorney General's office turned over records revealing how it works in response to a public records request. The secret database contains details of millions of wire transfers by people in Arizona to other states and countries. Joe Dana is here to explain how it works and why law enforcement is actually defending the program's existence. Joe?
Yeah, you know, guys, this goes to the heart of a debate that really never ends in this country. How much leeway should law enforcement have to spy on activities of people in this country in the name of public safety? And at what point does that infringe on our right to privacy? The program is known as the Transaction Record Analysis Center, or TRAC. Its existence is coming as a shock to many Americans today. Former Attorney General Mark Brnovich turned over public records to the ACLU before he left office, revealing details it's been in place since 2010. The database contains millions of financial transactions of people wiring money in and out of Arizona. Now, the ACLU says surveillance programs like this have already ruled constitutional in court. They are calling for the program to be shut down immediately. Law enforcement says it's an important tool to identify trends in crime and has resulted in leads involving money laundering and cartels. It is unusual, though, and the AG's office does not have to prove suspicion a crime occurred to get access to the wire transfer information.
I think the biggest unanswered question we have right now is how this program could have gone on for so long. These subpoenas that the previous attorneys general have been issuing clearly violate Arizona law. We also think they violate the U.S. Constitution.
The director of the TRAC program tells the Wall Street Journal today there's no evidence police have abused the program. That's little consolation to civil rights advocates. A former FBI agent I spoke with earlier today, he acknowledged that typically in this country, we believe there should be a cause to investigate someone's financial transactions. So he understands why there is scrutiny on this.
Now, Chris Mays, obviously recently elected Attorney General. Do we know what she'll do about this program?
So actually, we do now. I just got a response from her office just within the last hour or so. This is one of the first kind of high-profile decisions she would appear to be making, as this story has gotten a lot of attention today. So keep in mind, this very unusual surveillance program has been overseen by a Democrat and two Republicans. Now Mays tells 12 News she supports it. A spokesperson saying the program has been an effective tool in fighting money laundering, sex trafficking, and drug cases, and that, quote, courts have held that customers using money transmitter businesses do not have the same expectation of privacy as traditional banking customers. While Attorney General Mays values privacy, the spokesperson says she'll continue to utilize this tool to protect the people of Arizona. So this sets the stage for a possible lawsuit by the ACL. We will have to wait and see. Their director of speech and privacy told me they're very firm that this amounts to government overreach, abuse of the legal system, and that it targets marginalized communities, people who don't use traditional banking systems, even Americans who prefer just wiring money to friends and family for legitimate purposes. So this has been in a partnership with Homeland Security. So if there's a lawsuit, it would probably also target Homeland Security.
Yep. Easy to see why a lot of people would be very uneasy about something like this happening. All right, Joe, thank you.